Good morning, my dears. How are you? Okay, today we are going to learn information technology. What we learned in previous class? Yes, we learned the first lesson. What was the name of our first lesson? Do you remember? Our first lesson was Meet the Computer. Now we are going to discuss the second chapter, Working of a Computer. Our second chapter is Working of a Computer. And here computer asked to you. What is that? Friends, do you know how I am working? Then computer tells you it is very interesting it is very interesting to learn working of a computer. Before that, all of take page number 18. Did you take? And look at the picture. Mixer. What is that? Mixer. First, here we are going to prepare. Here we are going to prepare a juice. Apple juice. Do you like apple juice? Okay. Do you know how to prepare that? Don't you know? Okay. Let's learn how to prepare a apple juice. For that, we want take the jar of mixer, then add some sugar and also apple and pour water. Then this is the input. Apple, sugar, water are the input items. Then close the jar and switch on the power button. Switch on the power and the processing is going on. The processing is going on now. Within a few minutes, the apple juice is ready. Then we have to power it a bowl. Now, what is the apple juice? Apple juice is an output. Apple juice is a output. We add the input apple, sugar, water and we get the apple juice as our output. Next we are going to learn how to make a clay toy. The first step, collect clay and water. First step, collect clay and water and this is the input. What is the input? Clay and water are the input items. Then mix clay with water used with our fingers. That is known as processing. That is known as processing. Mixing the clay with water with your fingers. That is known as processing. Then the final step is after a few minutes our clay toy is ready. That is the output. Our clay toy is ready now. That is called output. Do you understand? Next, we are going to learn how to prepare a box house. How to prepare a house using some play boxes. Are you ready? Okay. First step, collect play boxes. Here, play boxes are the input. Play boxes are the input items. Then, what is our second step? What is our second step? Yes, we want to place that in order just like a house. Okay. Then, finally, we got a beautiful house. We got a beautiful playbox house. What is that? That is our output. Yes, very good. That is our output. The play box house is our output. What was our input? Yes, play box was our input. Then after the processing, it becomes a beautiful house. That is our output. Next, take page number 20. And what can you see there? Yes, there is a picture of computer, is it? And here, like that, here we are going to learn the processing of a computer. Processing of a computer. How to work a computer. Just suppose if you want to add 5 and 6, if you want to sum 5 and 6, what is the first step? What is our first step? Yes, we want to type 5. We want to type 5 first. Then give a command. Which command do you want to add there? Plus. Yes, very good. Plus command. So, add plus command there. Then, finally, again, which number you want to type there? Which number? Yes, 6. 5 plus 6. Then, CPU carries out the processing. Within a moment, the answer is ready. What is our answer? 11. Now, the output is 11. What are the input? 5 and 6 and plus icons are our input. Plus icon, 5, 6 are input. Then CPU processing it. Then finally we get 11 output. 11 as our output. You understand? Okay. In our computer, we have to classify into 3 units. We have to classify our computer devices into 3. Do you know what are them? Yes, first one is input device. First one, input devices. And what is the second one? Anybody know? Don't you know? Okay, then I will teach you. First one, input device. The second one, central processing unit. Central processing unit. And the third one, what is the third one? Yes, very good. Output devices. Output devices. Here first we are going to learn input devices. All of you look at the screen. All of you look at the screen. The devices used to give commands and enter data to the computer are called input devices. The devices used to give commands and enter data to the computer are called input devices. For example, keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone and web camera are commonly used input device. Here we are going to learn some input devices. Look at that page. What can you see there? Yes, there is a picture of keyboard, mouse, scanner and microphone, joystick and web camera. And what is the function of keyboard? Input device keyboard. What is the function of input device keyboard? Yes, keyboard we use it to type letters and numbers. Good, very good. And what is the use of mouse? Anybody can say? Yes, very good. Mouse we use it to draw pictures and also select file. Very good. And what is the third one? Scanner. Yes, scanner is used to scan the documents. Scanner is used to scan pictures and photos and other documents. Then microphone. What is the use of microphone? Microphone is used to record the voice. Microphone is used to record the voice. And the next one is joystick. Joystick is your favorite device, is it? Yes, it helps you to play the game. A joystick helps you to play the game. Have you joystick with you? Okay. Then web camera. Web camera is used to capture photos and pictures. Web camera is used to capture photos, pictures and videos. Okay. That is enough about input device. Next we are going to learn the output devices. What are the output devices? Do you know? What? Yes, very good. Monitor. Monitor is one of the output device, and also speaker, printer. Monitor, speaker and printer. Very good. There are 3 output devices in our textbook. Monitor is the screen of the computer. Monitor is known as the screen of the computer. And what is the use of speaker? What is the use? Yes, very good. We use speaker to listen the music. We use speaker to listen the music. Then what is the use of printer? Printer is used to print the documents. Printer is used to print the documents in a paper. Then next we are going to learn CPU. What is CPU? Full form of CPU? Don't you know? Okay. CPU is Central Processing Unit. CPU is Central Processing Unit. Then what is the specialty of CPU? Yes, that is the brain of our computer. CPU is the brain of our computer. It controls all the process in computer. It is a control unit. It has a control unit. It controls every programs. Here we discuss the 3 units of the computer. First one, input device. Second one, output device. The third one, yes, central processing unit, CPU. And next we are going to learn the storage devices. A CPU has different types of storage device like hard disk and ROM, etc. Here we are going to learn the different types of storage devices. The first one is hard disk, and also there is a CD, and also there is a pen drive and memory card and DVD. These are some examples for storage devices. Do you understand the chapter? Do you understand? Okay, it is enough for today. I will discuss the activities in next class. Okay, let me wind up here. So, thank you all my cuties for watching. Thank you.